Hey car fans, I'm Mike Berger with another CarSoup.com quick tip. Now today, I'm outside in the glorious sunshine to talk about your vehicle's finish. Now our vehicles are investments and we want them to stay looking like they were when we first bought them. Now have you ever noticed when you wash your car, sometimes it just has lost its luster even though you've just washed it, or it doesn't feel clean? That's because micro-contaminants get embedded onto the car's surface. And there's only one good way to get those off of your car, and that's by using a cleaning clay. Think of cleaning clay as Play-Doh for car enthusiasts. It's a pliable bar of soft clay that, once properly lubricated, lets you pull off all of those micro-contaminants from your car's surface. Your typical cleaning clay kit will come with three components: the clay bar itself, a microfiber detailing rag, and a lubricant. And the lubricant is very important because it's what enables the clay to glide over your car's surface and pick up all of those embedded contaminants. Start by spraying the lubricant onto the section of the vehicle you want to work on. Remember to work in small sections. Knead the clay bar into a flat pancake. Then drag it over the surface that you've lubricated. Lastly, use a microfiber detailing rag to clean off any remaining lubricant. After that, you're ready to move on to the next section of your vehicle. Now, as you're working, constantly check that clay bar for any contaminants or grit. If you see any, fold it to the inside of the bar so that you're not damaging your vehicle's surface while you work. This has been another CarSoup.com quick tip. I'm Mike Berger, and we'll see you down the road.